Right, looking at pages 8 and 9, which is if-else statements again, but now with a little calculation, which isn't quite as bad as it looks. So again, highlight your variables and your conditions. Put your, I think that's all of them, yeah. Put the flow of the program in. And that's your true. Oh god, we made a detour. Put the false. Yeah. Okay. So we've got test out of. I'm going to give that the awkward name of 2. And we've got mark. I'm just going to call it M. Percent. I'm going to call it P. I mean, if you can fit in, obviously just write the whole word, it'll be easier, but just because I'm using a mouse, it's a bit difficult. And then I'm going to do this for percent is greater than 50. Right, test out of. So the test is out of originally 75. Right, that's the first input. The second input, this is in the program running twice this time. The second input is what the mark is, 35. So it's a test out of 75 and this fictional person got 35. The percent is, well, you just have to work it out. So get a calculator. So we have 35 divided by 75. And then, well, you can kind of tell it now, it's going to be 47% rounding up. But you times it by 100. 46.6666666. So yeah, we could round this up to 47% if you want. So let's say, or 46.6, it really doesn't matter. And if the percent is greater than 50, is 46.6 greater than 50? No, it's not. So we put the false there. And then we follow it and it says, sorry, oh my, what word is that? Yeah, that's meant to say failed. From there, the next page is, you don't have to highlight these variables. This is the exact same program, but I want you to describe it in English. And I know it might seem a bit boring, that it might take a little while, but it's because you might have to do something like this in the exams to explain what is happening in the code. Sometimes you have to point out mistakes, so we're just getting used to putting this in your own words. And now don't indent your sentences or anything, that's a common mistake. You don't want it to be code, just explain what is happening in your own words. Right. Thank you for listening.